Pasay, you look. Tingnan natin kung madadala pa rin nila yung they were Steve Nash Enriquez. Ortiz and now with Pajarito. Parks. Sends it to Pajarito for three. Got it.
May tira talaga si Pajarito sa tres eh. For a big man, he has a big...
Air ball again. Enriquez. Bigay kay Parks. Three. Yes.
That's his shot. Favorite shot of Mark Parks. Corner three.
And it's short again. De Los Santos first to the loose ball. And a fresh shot clock here for Ilagan. Hesitation move. JL with a finger roll.
Veteran move by JL De Los Santos. Ganda ng galaw niya doon.
To JL. Back to Art. JL for three. Yes.
Soft, steady shot by JL De Los Santos. Was
Art De La Cruz magbaba ng bola dito. Art. Download to Prince. Must lig his way in. Prince Rivero.
yan yung strength ni Prince Rivero talaga playing in the
Against Gumaru. Nash sends it to Brian. One dribble pull-up. That is money para kay Brian Hilario.
sobrang steady ni Brian Hilario sa mga ganun sitwasyon. Yung perimeter shots ni Brian Hilario, lista mo na kagad.
Mina will fire. Yes.
Alam mo,
As well, wearing the jersey number of his dad, Coach Glenn. Gabayni.
Good
Nice
play.
play out of
Yeah.
that inbound.
very good play by the Cowboys.
Strong season last year with Pasig. Oh, nice. That is a smooth looking jumper from Gal Montan. Tapasio Pingoy. Extra pass. Mina. One dribble pull up. It's good.
Another good ball movement by the Isabela Cowboys.
Oh, ibang klase din. Ang bagay na bagay sa mga MPBL na laruan.
PBL, oo. Mga ganun.
What a move, Alan Mina. Martel goes up strong. 18-12. Gonzalez lost it to De La Cruz. Art. Gonzalez recovers. Three-pointer. Yes.
Swerte sila doon. Nakakuha sila ng defensive stop.
20-18. Art. Don for three. Yes. Don Gumaru.
Another shooter, another guard who can shoot the...
Pajarito. He'll launch the three and hit.
Yun na naman, second three of the ball game by Pajarito. Talagang touch na yun no?
Will mean free throws para sa Ilagan. 5:57 remaining the second period. Giap again. Ang ganda ng inbound play.
Nakakadalawa na yung play na yun.
Nash Enriquez uses the Pajarito pick. Nash drives inside and he flips it up and in.
First 2 points of Nash Enriquez as a professional.
I'm sure proud ka dyan, Coach Vic.
Oo.
De Los Santos, the J-Boy, finds Alan Santos. Art, extra pass, Gumaru for three. Yes! Si Rivero, binalik for Art. Enriquez to Pajarito. Three-pointer again. Kesha Pajarito. Paulo for three, no. De La Cruz, the one-hander, we're tied.
Favorite shot of Moon De La Cruz.
Shot clock winding down for Pajarito.
Whoa!
Playing out of his mind right. DJ Pelebrico. attacks. Gabaini is there for the cleanup.
Good positioning by Gabaini for the 2 points.
3 seconds in the shot clock. Enriquez loses it. Pajarito will fire again!
Whoa!
That is... That's a 3 from Coco Pingoy.
Still,
I'd like to thank ManiPay, the digital wallet built for the community.
court to court by Nash Enriquez converting
Ng Ilagan. Pingoy fires and he knocks down the 3. Nina. Allen. Extra pass. Coco for 3. Again.
yes.
9 points in the quarter for Coco Pingoy. And just like that, Pasay's lead has been reduced to 3.
And again, that's all from the 3-point area.
Gortiza takes the jumper and swishes that one through. De Los Santos, what a finish!
Breakdown on the defense of the Pasay Voyagers.
Inaliwa pa. That time, Don advantage here. J-Boy knocks down the corner jumper. Cowboy. Silent Gonzalez, crossover jumper over J-Boy Solis. It's 9 here in the third quarter. Nakabawi ang Cowboys. Gonzalez with a steal and the finish.
And that's another deadlock.
They're tied at 50. Ang
Galing sa ano
mukhang may instruction eh. Sabay pa sila pumasok eh.
Galing sa timeout, parang ganun yung dating eh.
Oh, Gonzalez making
8 points for Gonzalez.
bigat ng galaw na yun. Alan Mina steps into this three-pointer. Swak na swak.
We could see that
Bigay kay Gonzalez. 3-second differential, game clock and shot clock. Gonzalez, the Hesse. Masyadong malalim eh, pero...
pumasok pa rin.
And Pasay here, 1 point separating the two teams. Quarter scoring, Ilagan. Better third quarter. Rivero with a drive and the bucket.
Good execution by Prince Rivero. He saw the open lane, he attacked it.
Rito posting up Felebrico, trying to pull the chair from Rito. Pero
pero a lot of one-on-one moves now by the Pasay Void.
atake si Nash, labas. Corner 3, it's good. Nico Quiñal again. Enriquez, no. Gabaini puts it in off the feed by Art De La Cruz. Yun naman yung maganda kay Art kasi
Yeah, starting to miss now. Kailangan lagay niya ulit dun sa sa loob yung tira niya.
great pass galing kay Alan Mina. Dondon Gomaru puts it in for 2. Cowboys back in front. Alan Mina making things happen for Ilagan here. And look at the concentration and the focus on the
shot, yes.
on the shot galing kay Dondon Gomaru. Mayor J. Diaz of Ilagan, board member EJ Diaz. Gabaini inside.
Another good play.
Out of the timeout.
Oh, out of a timeout. Then
Nash. Gonzalez. Hilario back to Gonzalez. Hilario is denied by Gabaini.
good block by Gabaini. Good defensive stop by the Quezon Huskers.
Joseph disengaged. I haven't seen him disengaged for a while now.
Second block.
Kaya
Speaking
nga,
of,
no,
di ba?
because, you've handled him and you...
Inspired basketball ang binibigay sa kanya. Ang binibigay ni Joseph Gabaini ngayon.
Oh,
Look
yan,
at that! Look at that! Speaking of Joseph Gabaini.
Meron na 13 puntos. Gonzalez. Ilagan ahead by 5. Nabitawan ni Gonzalez. De La Cruz picks it up. And a layup.
Favorite shot by Munmun de la Cruz. The one off leg.
A little too casual there.
Oh!
JL!
Hinabol eh.
My
Very
goodness!
Very inspired basketball. Yung
Akala ko
pinapakita,
preseason to.
yung pinapakita ng ano.
Para playoffs. Playoffs chase down
Oo
block
nga
to
eh.
ah. Look at that.
Linis oh. Inspired basketball pinapakita ng Isabela Cowboys. And look at Coach Glenn Capasio, who was clapping his hands talaga dito sa ball game na to eh.
Enriquez gets it to Gonzalez for 3.
Wow,
We're
good pass
tied.
by Nash Enriquez.
Nash from downtown, it's good.
I have that feeling na titira ni Nash talaga.
Enriquez for 3, yes!
Another big shot by Nash Enriquez.
8 seconds in the shot clock. Nash, yeah, again! Take over mode.
Yes.
Here's Enriquez.
Yeah, I think Isabela needs to foul.
What a show of force from Nash Enriquez. JL De Los Santos will lay this in. And that will do it. The Pasay Voyagers score a 76-69 win. The Voyagers with a 76-69 win over the Cowboys here at the Paco Arena.